I'm HVAC repair guy with 17 plus years of experience in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, on top of my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are walking through a side-by-side comparison of two heat pump options for your home, the Frigidaire FSH4BF and the Liberty GLZT7C. Starting with cabinet design and build quality, both units feature louvered coil guards that protect the outdoor fins from lawnmower debris, hail, and stray rocks. When it comes to winter performance, heating output is tracked by the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor rating, or HSPF. Both systems tie here with a nearly identical rating of 8.1 HSPF for the Frigidaire FSH4BF and 8.2 HSPF for the Liberty GLZT7C. In real-world winter conditions, an 8.1 or 8.2 HSPF provides solid standard efficiency, keeping your heating bills reasonable while pulling heat out of ambient outdoor air down into cold temperatures before calling for backup auxiliary heat. On the cooling side, both units function as standard central air conditioners during summer months to extract heat and humidity from your living spaces. Looking inside at the internal components, the compressor and fan setup show key design choices. Neither system uses a fully variable speed compressor or variable speed outdoor fan motor. Instead, both systems use two-speed compressor technology. The Frigidaire FSH4BF combines a two-speed compressor with a single-speed condenser fan. Meanwhile, the Liberty GLZT7C pairs its two-speed compressor with a two-speed fan motor. Having a two-speed fan along with a two-speed compressor allows the Liberty system to better balance air velocity and sound levels when running on lower output stages. The Liberty GLZT7C operates between 71 and 75 decibels. A rating of 71 to 75 decibels is roughly equivalent to a standard dishwasher running in the kitchen or a normal conversation held a few feet away. Looking at who manufactures these systems, the Frigidaire unit is manufactured in Mexico under license by Rheem Manufacturing, while the Liberty GLZT7C is manufactured in the United States by Daikin Global. For real-world installed pricing, full heat pump replacement packages for standard mid-tier units typically range from $7,500 to $12,500 depending on region, labor complexity, and duct adjustments. Uninstalled unit prices for the Liberty GLZT7C generally land around $2,800 to $4,500 for equipment alone. The Frigidaire FSH4BF comes with a 10-year parts warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. The Liberty GLZT7C provides a 10-year base warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If I'm standing in front of both systems making the final call for your house, my recommendation goes to the Liberty GLZT7C. It edges out the comparison by matching the heating performance, pairing its two-speed compressor with a matching two-speed outdoor fan, backing the installation with a lifetime compressor warranty, and being manufactured in the USA.